If x equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3, find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Solution. X equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3. Denominator having 2 minus root 3. So, rationalization factor. Rationalization factor of 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 plus root 3. Just symbol change avutundi. Here minus, here 2 plus root 3. X equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. 1 into 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 by here a minus b, a plus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So, 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 by, apply that formula m plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Same this way, a equal to 2, b equal to root 3, a square 2 square minus b square root 3 square. 2 plus root 3 by 2 square equal to 4 minus 2 and root cancel minus 3. Root 3 square equal to 3. 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3, 1. That equal to 2 plus root 3 ki equal. So, x equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 transfer left side minus 2. X minus 2 equal to root 3. Both side squaring. X minus 2 whole square equal to root 3 square. A minus b whole square, formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. This like a minus b whole square form, so a square x square minus 2ab plus b square 2 square root 3 square, 2 root and cancel equal 3. X square 2 2 ja 4 minus 4x 2 square mean 4 minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Next problem, next continuation. From problem, x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Find out this value. Next, this is can change from x square minus 4x 1 x square minus 4x plus 1. Observe here x cube. So, here having x square. So, multiply with x. X into x square x cube minus 4x square plus x. X square coefficient is minus 2. Here minus 4. You take x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 4x square plus 2x square equal to minus 2x square minus x into 1 x, 2x square minus 8x plus 2, x minus 8 minus 7x equal करना 5 here plus 2, 5 equal to 2 plus 3 and add plus 3. X cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5, this is changing this form because why? X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0, this value you know, so substitute here x square minus 4x plus 1 equal 0, 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 3, x into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 3, so 3. Final x square x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 3.